Are you tired of spending money on store-bought greeting cards that don't feel personal or creative enough? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create and print your very own personalized greeting cards using Canva in just a few simple steps. Whether it's for birthdays, holidays, thank you notes, or special occasions, you'll be able to craft a beautiful custom card in minutes, and yes, it's completely free. Open Canva. First, go to canva.com or open the Canva app on your device. Log into your account or create a free one if you don't already have it. It's easy to create an account. Search for greeting card templates. Once you're in, click on the search bar at the top and type greeting card. You'll now see hundreds of beautiful templates for all kinds of occasions: birthday, thank you, holiday, anniversary, and more. From these, select a design according to the occasion for which you want to create a greeting card. Pro tip: you can filter by free if you don't have Canva Pro. Choose a template you like, click on any template that suits your occasion, a new editor window will open, and this is where the magic happens. Customize your greeting card. Now edit the text, colors, and fonts to make the card your own. You can replace images, upload your own photo, or even add fun Canva elements like stickers or icons. If you want to change the color, click on any section and then you will see the option to change the color at the top. If you click there, different color plates will appear in front of you and you can select the color of your choice from there. If you want to change any text, just click on that text and you will get the option to edit the text, and then you can write the text of your choice here. You can use ChatGPT to write text. ChatGPT will write it beautifully for you if you tell it what kind of greeting you want to send to someone. You just copy and paste it. Pro tip: keep your design centered and aligned, especially if you're printing double-sided. Now, if you want to add any sticker or element to the design, then click on Element from the left side menu. There you will find a search bar. There you can search for the thing you want and you will get the element accordingly. From there you can click on it and it will be added to your design. Then you can resize it as you wish and change the color. Adjust the size for printing, it is optional. Now let's do the final adjustments. Most greeting card templates are already sized for a 5 or a 6, but you can click Resize in the top menu if you want a custom size. Download and print your greeting card. Once you're happy with your design, click on the Share button at the top right and choose Download. Select PDF Print as the format for best quality. Now you can print it at home or send it to your local print shop. So that's it. You've just created your very own personalized greeting card in Canva, quick, easy, and totally free. Bonus tips.
Number 1. If you want to fold your card, be sure to leave space in the center crease or use a 2-page design. Number 2. Use premium paper for a more professional look, glossy or matte, depending on the vibe you're going for. Number 3. You can also add a QR code to link to a video message or photo gallery right from within Canva.
If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the Tutorial Lab for more simple tech and design tutorials. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments. I reply to everyone. And don't forget to check out my video on how to design custom envelopes in Canva, linked in the description below. Thanks for watching.